Let me show you how we can take macro photos on Nothing Phone 3a Pro. So first, if we open the camera, we have two main ways to capture a macro photo. We of course have the option to use the dedicated macro mode, and we need to keep the distance between the object that we want to capture and the camera in order to take the best photo possible. Of course, we can try to zoom in as well in order to keep the camera closer to the object, but as you can see, if we try to keep it too close, then we lose the focus, which sometimes can be annoying and it might prevent you capturing a cool photo. So as an alternative, if you don't like the dedicated macro mode, you can also use the photo mode instead. And in this case, we can do the same thing, but we can simply just zoom in even more if we want to. Just keep the appropriate distance between the object that we want to capture and our camera in order to take the best photo possible. We have lots of zoom options. You can definitely zoom in even more than in the macro mode, and this works as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.